Hi, I'm Julie from Thermo Kitchen, and today I wanted to speak to you about the Thermomix. So my Thermomix journey started 8 years ago when I bought my very first TM5. Now I love the machine so much, I started writing recipes for the Thermomix and sharing them on my website, Thermo Kitchen. 12 months ago, Thermomix announced the release of their new machine, the TM6. Now I knew I wanted to be involved, so I signed up as a consultant. The TM6 is an amazing machine. It has access to more than 50,000 guided cooking recipes on Cookadoo. It also has 11 new functions, and these include things like slow cooker, sous vide, or fermentation for making yogurts. So many households have already benefited from having a Thermomix. Busy mums, people who want to eat healthier, those who've got food allergies, and people who just want to save money on their grocery bill. So contact me if you'd like to learn more about the TM6. I love helping people get a Thermomix on their kitchen bench.